Ka sorkar jilla ha ka jingsong jialang ka kenhuan menteri ka balong ha ka henrio tarik jiliu kalarai bentung ya u chief secretary but uway na katanat law but uway na katanat personal kinlong ki dkhot ka search committee banyet ikibrio balong dkhot ha ka expert committee na ka benta ban penbet thama ya ka reservation policy ka jilla Umentri rangba konrad ki sangma ula pentep ru ba ka sorkar kalaya kren ru ya ka office memorandum halor ka reservation roster khnang ban penbet ya ka ba ka sorkar kan penbana ha kini ki hisingi arsngi da ka jing pynkylla ya ka office memorandum ka jing thung kamru kan ya chakhman
as per the notification that was put up an expert committee for the review of reservation policy. The government has decided that a chief secretary and one member from the law department and one member from the personnel department, a 3-member committee has been put up as a search committee to look for experts who will be able to then be part of this expert committee. It was recommended that this committee should be a 5-member committee and should have experts from different fields, as was mentioned in the notification. Also, very important decision today was taken was that the office memo for the reservation roster amendments were put up today to be made in the reservation roster so that the reservation roster OM is clear. And with these amendments now in the office memorandum, the process of recruitment will also be starting post the office memorandum for the reservation roster that will come out most probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. As soon as they can. So the chief secretary headed committee is going to start their work immediately, and hopefully they'll be able to get the names to the government at the earliest.
There has been demands to also appoint members of this expert committee from the state.
So yeah, the search committee will look into that.
Coming to this office memorandum, so old one will be amended.
Yes.
What are the amendments?
About a year?
I'm sorry?
About a year. It will be prospective or is to prospective?
No, as I said, and I've maintained from day one, that the roster is a continuous process. And the continuity, obviously it starts with 72, but the continuity is there. And we have been maintaining that in the past many years, the different positions that have been there have been filled up by certain communities in some case and by different communities in certain cases. And hence, whatever the case may be, those positions were filled up. But the roster plotting is required to allow us to know where we are in the roster today. And hence, the data that's going to be plotted is going to allow us then to know from which particular serial number do we start now. And that is the main purpose. And hence, the advertisements will take place from that serial number. And that is the purpose of plotting the numbers from 1972. And wherever the data is available, we are doing it. Wherever data is not available, we are starting from 1. Yes, because recruitments cannot stop. I mean, if we put a stop to recruitment, then many of our youngsters who are meant to get jobs and who are going to apply for them, who will get overage as the days go by, will suffer. And hence, in the larger interest of ensuring that the youth get the jobs, while the review or the discussions of the committees will deliberate on the different aspects of reservation policy, the recruitments will continue. As I said, we will give the necessary details and the OM to all of you. It will be very technically complicated for me to explain all of the facts, but the recommendations that have been given by the all-party committee to us, we have included those recommendations to amend the OM.
So this recruitment will be with immediate effect, continuation of
As soon as the OM comes out.